four Veerappan aides have moved the Supreme Court against death penalty. President Pranab Mukherjee had rejected their mercy petition recently. Veerappan aides are facing death for a landmine blast that killed 21 people in Palar in Karnataka. For more, let's get in a word from our chief legal correspondent Ashok Bagria. He's joining us on the phone line from the capital. Ashok, we tried to speak to the lawyer who said that he wasn't allowed to meet Veerappan associates, which is something that the jail authorities follow a procedure before 24 hours before the execution, and if this does happen, it will be a violation of the Karnataka prison manual.
Well, Simi, at the moment, the big story that is emerging is the fact that Supreme Court is going to hold an urgent hearing on the plea by four Veerappan associates who are telling the Supreme Court that they are supposed to be executed tomorrow morning. Their execution warrant is out. Now, they are making before the Supreme Court is the fact that there has been a delay of over 8 years by the President of India in deciding their mercy plea, and hence on that ground that death penalty should be commuted to a life sentence. Now, another important thing here is the fact that there is a similar petition which is still pending in the Supreme Court, where Devinder Pal Singh Bhullad has raised this important question of law, where he says that if there is a delay by the President of India in deciding the mercy plea, can the death penalty be converted into a life sentence or not? So now these four associates of Veerappan are telling the Supreme Court that as long as this petition is pending in the Supreme Court, they should not be executed. And what is more important is the fact that in an hour or two, we could see that one of the Supreme Court judges taking up this matter, hearing it urgently at their own residence, because Supreme Court is not sitting today.